In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall and reinstall Adobe InCopy cleanly. We'll walk through a simple, reliable process using the Creative Cloud desktop app to remove InCopy and install a fresh copy so you can resolve glitches, odd behavior, or startup issues without the guesswork. Before you begin, make sure InCopy is closed, your internet connection is stable, and you're signed into your Creative Cloud account on the computer you'll be using. Start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is the hub that manages all your Adobe applications and updates. If it's already running, you can access it from your menu bar or taskbar. Otherwise, open it from your applications list. Once it's open, go to the Apps section, then head to Installed Apps. This view shows everything currently on your device and gives you direct controls for each app. Find InCopy in the list of installed apps and click Uninstall. When you do this, the app may ask whether you want to remove or keep preferences and settings. Keeping preferences preserves your custom workspaces and shortcuts, which can save time later. Removing preferences gives you a more complete reset, which can be helpful if you're troubleshooting persistent issues. Choose the option that best fits your situation, then let the uninstall finish. This process only removes the application itself. It doesn't delete your documents. Once the uninstall completes, you're ready to reinstall. Still in the Apps section, look for InCopy in the available apps list. Click Install. The Creative Cloud app will handle downloading and installing the latest compatible version for your system. This can take a few minutes depending on your connection speed, so let it run without interrupting or putting your computer to sleep. After the installation finishes, launch Adobe InCopy directly from the Creative Cloud app or from your Applications folder to confirm everything opens cleanly. On first launch, it's normal to see license confirmations or brief setup screens. You should land on the standard welcome window without errors. Take a moment to confirm that menus and panels load as expected. If you chose to keep preferences, your layout and shortcuts should still be there. If you removed them, you'll be starting fresh and can reapply any custom settings as needed. That's it. By uninstalling and reinstalling through Creative Cloud, you've given InCopy a clean slate while keeping control over your preferences. If you run into any unusual messages during install or launch, note the exact wording and check Adobe's support resources for targeted guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get InCopy running smoothly again.